Experts say a powerful solar flare is heading toward Earth, and it's traveling as fast as 1,300 miles per second. This all comes after the sun's eruption yesterday evening. News Channel 18's Krista Henry reports that this is the largest solar flare in 5 years, and it could disrupt cell phone usage.
Dan, experts I spoke with tonight say while this is the largest solar flare in about 5 years, they're not expecting these charged particles to disrupt power grids just yet, but they say this flare is a sign that if it happens again down the road, power grids, GPS, and airplane flights could be affected. More than 4 million miles an hour. That's how fast charged particles from the sun are expected to hit Earth as early as Wednesday night or Thursday morning.
It's a big burst from the sun of charged particles that react with our atmosphere and excite the electrons in our atmosphere so they glow.
A glow that would look like the northern lights, but don't go sky gazing just yet. The colorful glow of flares from the magnetic storm may not make their way as far south as Indiana.
It's very likely we'll have a lot of them in the northern U.S. They may get to Indiana. The problem is we're going to have clouds around, so even if there are some, it may be kind of hard to see them.
Experts say so far this particular storm doesn't look to be too severe.
There may be an interruption of let's say telephone service, and your cell phone may be impacted. It's not exactly good. We are not likely to be hurt by this, and it's probably not going to destroy infrastructure so far as we know.
However, if the sun continues to have high activity, there could be larger storms in the future that could smack Earth with a more severe threat.
That could literally wipe out much of civilization as we know it. It would destroy satellites, which means your telephones, communication systems will go down, and it could destroy power grids. It could just burn out transformers.
The solar storm should last through Friday morning, but the region of the sun that erupted could still send more blasts our way, so experts say we'll just have to wait and see. Krista Henry, News Channel 18.
Thanks, Krista. Important information. Purdue physics professor Ephraim Fischbach and other Purdue professors are working on technology that would give people at least a day-and-a-half notice before a major solar storm. Fischbach says that way government officials can turn on safe modes on GPS signals so it would limit destruction on Earth.